才另外那个应该投下来。
干了2个小时就没命了，已经肚里甚至就破了3公分，肠子不好了，后来就住了45天的院。
这是王顺友工作以来在县城待的最疼的一次。出院后第3天，他又上路了。因为王顺友记着父亲把缰绳递到他手里时说的话：邮件一不能丢，二不能晚。木里藏族自治县强马镇秃头村村民降出马。
就是有一次下大雨哦，可能长线上走起来的时候天还没下完，突然怎么办？
这个第一个来讲呢，您本身呢对于中国地区来讲，正好还能够迈进核市场，因为一旦补仓也就是一旦这个仓位啊就更重了啊，一旦它短线不涨，别的又涨得很好的话，您这个选择性的这个进场，要有那么多啊，对于这个位置。
打发寂寞的，打发孤独的，打发寒冷的。晚上有狼叫，有熊叫，就害怕了。我喝了酒，我就睡觉了，就什么都不怕了。
心里装着人民，那便是独而不孤。王顺友知道山里头有很多人等着他。
我文化不高，什么单位也不会要我的。但是乡亲们是离不了我，乡亲们望我给他们远方亲戚带去消息，盼着我；政府盼着我给他们带去党的声音，需要我。
送信就是为党做事，为党做事的人要吃得起苦，这是王顺友生前常挂在嘴边的话。2005。
د روغتیا د نړیوال سازمان د شمیرو پر بنسټ په ټوله نړۍ کې هر کال د تمباکو لرونکو نشهیي موادو د استعمال لامل 8 میلیونه کسان مړه کېږي. دغه سازمان وایي په نړۍ کې 1.3 میلیارده انسانان تمباکو په ځانګړي ډول سګرټ، پان، خیلي او نور لوګي لرونکي استعمالوونکي له امله یې په هر یوه
陪伴我。
2011年，在川西省两会时，作为四川省人大代表的王顺友曾经说：“但愿马班油路早日消失。”几年后，2017年，随着木里县最后一个通公路的乡三绝压乡通上了公路，原来14天往返的马班油路现在只需要10来个小时。木里县各个乡镇都通上了电话，乡亲们都用上了互联网手机。邮递员们骑着摩托，开着汽车送件，马班油路从此成为了历史。马班油路消失了，王顺友一路撒下的歌声依然响彻在山间。几代马帮邮递员铭记在这条路上的为民奉献的精神，依然生动又鲜活。
Lonely girl I hit back in 1970. Also U2, Weird One. Hope your Monday's going well. Still to come, Boys to Men, Johnny Logan, Thomas Rhett, Rupert Holmes and Taylor Swift.
To reach maximum potential in business, you need to recruit the right people. QITE is one of FNQ's largest and longest-serving employment providers, offering a start-to-finish recruitment service at no cost to you. They have a diverse register of applicants looking for work, looking for a career change or career promotions. QITE interview, shortlist, screen and recommend candidates based on your business needs. They will also let you know if you are eligible to receive government funding. So, when looking to employ the right person, contact QITE. Need to dig deep or reach high? Looking for landscaping supplies? Well, look no further. The team at NQ Equipment Hire and Landscaping Solutions have all your hire and landscaping needs under one roof. Portable shower and toilets, raw materials, diamond grid panels, pavers, hire equipment, all with delivery available. Open Monday to Friday 7 till 5 and Saturdays 8 till 11. Call in and check out their wide range of equipment for hire. NQ Equipment Hire, Lot 51 Rifle Range Road, making the big jobs easy.
North Queensland's premier personality station. 4KZ.
all the respect that everybody else gets.
And Mel Hoffman is the author of Full Credit to the Boys, her account of marrying into footy. Mel, it's great to meet you. Thank you.
Lovely to meet you too. Thanks for having me.
And Sporty is produced by Damien Rabbit. I'm Amanda Smith.
The airport to see off the clever. So even that, you know, Friends was one of the biggest shows and the reunion
music show, Jack Buckskin and his orchestral acknowledgement of country.
Australian share market has just dipped a little.
Or wherever you get your podcasts. Reconciliation. A journey for all Australians.
Always a pleasure, Kat.
Rob McKnight, host of the TV Black Box podcast, editor of the tvblackbox.com.au, joining you for TV Talk every other Monday here on ABC Radio Brisbane and Queensland. News time now, it's 2:00.
Stay connected with your ABC. Find news online at abc.net.au. Select your postcode to see local stories, news and weather.
Good afternoon, I'm George Roberts. It's feared Victoria's coronavirus outbreak will get worse before it improves, with authorities confirming more cases this afternoon. Francesco Salvo reports.
The outbreak now stands at 51 cases after 6 new infections were announced, in addition to the 5 cases that were formally reported this morning. The acting Premier James Merlino says the next few days will be critical.
This outbreak may well get worse before it gets better.
3 of today's cases are related to outbreaks in the aged care sector. They include the son of a Maidstone R-Care worker who was reported over the weekend, a second worker from the facility who also worked at the Blue Cross Western Gardens nursing home in Sunshine, and a 90-year-old resident who has been moved to hospital. The resident had received 1 vaccine dose before being infected.
The list of exposure sites has now swelled to 290. Health authorities are managing 4,200 primary close contacts across those sites. Victoria's Chief Health Officer Brett Sutton says there's been substantial transmission in a number of high-risk settings.
So we have to take it as a day-by-day prospect, but with more numbers today coming through and those really concerning settings, especially in aged care, we're neck and neck with this virus, and it's an absolute beast.
One of Australia's leading Indigenous cultural festivals has been cancelled due to concerns about the coronavirus pandemic. Nicholas Hines.
Sunday, by climbing over...
People are dead after another mass shooting in the US. 3 gunmen have opened fire into a crowd outside a Miami banquet hall. Alison Petrowski reports.
The shooting took place just after midnight on the outskirts of Miami. 3 gunmen with assault rifles pulled up in a white SUV, and police say fired indiscriminately at the crowd. 2 people died at the scene, at least 22 more are injured. 1 remains in a critical condition in a Miami hospital. This is the director of the Miami-Dade Police Department, Alfredo Ramirez.
This is a despicable act of gun violence, a cowardly act.
The 3 alleged gunmen are still on the run.
Alison Petrowski reporting. University researchers have found that combining education about mental health best practices with Bible reading can have a significant benefit. In their study, this reduced the symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder and increased forgiveness, compassion and a sense of purpose. The study worked with 200...
Court later today. The 47 people face charges of participating in an unofficial, non-binding and independently organised primary vote last year to select candidates for a city election, which authorities call a plot to subvert.
At least 2 people are dead after a shooting in Miami. 3 gunmen reportedly got out of a car and opened fire indiscriminately into the crowd in front of a banquet hall. Police Department Director Alfredo Ramirez says dozens of others are injured.
Now we have 20 to 25 victims at various hospitals around the community, as well as 2 deceased victims on the scene. This is a despicable act of gun violence, a cowardly act.
The Australian Ballet is giving the next generation of young choreographers a chance to develop their skills. The ballet has announced an Emerging Choreographer Award, which is open to all genres. The winner will earn a $10,000 cash prize to develop work with the Australian Ballet's artistic team and dancers to feature in next year's Body Talk program. Briefly, Australia's greenhouse gas emissions have dropped 5% in a year, and 92 earthquakes and tremors have been recorded in the past 24 hours around a volcano in the Democratic Republic of Congo. In sport, the Melbourne Demons are waiting to find out where they'll play the Brisbane Lions this weekend. They wish.
Coast increasing to a high to very high chance about the north tropical coast. Mostly sunny elsewhere. Possible morning frost in the southern.
Played in towns
this year, and that's been reflected in the Origin team with 6 Panthers players making up 1/3 of the Blues squad. Yo's been named in the starting lineup at number 13 and says being picked is a dream come true.
Two of us making the team just because the club have been performing so well. So it's nice, obviously, to be able to share this with a few teammates as well. So look, it's been really good for the first few days in camp, and looking forward to the rest of the week. Obviously, the sole focus is obviously win game 1 and go from there.
Queensland's named a 20-man squad for the first Origin match against New South Wales on June the 9th, but question marks over the team for Game 1. Cameron Munster, Kalen Ponga and Harry Grant all included despite not playing for 3 weeks because of injury. ABC News.
You're listening to ABC News Radio.
Good afternoon, I'm Sarah Hall. It's good to have your company on Monday, the coming up on the program.
The challenge ahead. Showers along the coast. There's a pretty high chance of them. A medium chance elsewhere, though. Easterly winds, as you know, blowing around 20 to 30 kilometres an hour. The Herbert and Lower Burdekin forecast area, much the same. There's a medium chance of showers in the north this afternoon and a slight chance elsewhere. The winds tending to turn easterly at 15 to 25 throughout the day. The Gulf Country, Corumba and Normanton, sunny. The winds are east to southeast and maybe even tending east to northeast at 15 to 25. The Cairns coastal waters, Cape Tribulation to Cardwell, southeasterlies at 15 to 20 knots, and they could even reach up to 25 knots at times this afternoon. Seas 1.5 to 2 metres outside the reef. Townsville coastal waters, Cardwell to Bowen, southeasterlies blowing at 20 to 25 knots. Seas 1.5 to 2 metres, and there's a 50% chance of showers at some stage through the afternoon. And the southeast Gulf of Carpentaria, we've got winds tending to be south to southeasterly at 10 to 15 knots in the late evening, and seas 1 to 2 metres, dropping back to about 1.5 by the early evening, but otherwise mostly sunny on AM and FM, and streaming live on the internet. This is the KZ Network.
Surveillance. And John Fassman joins me from...
In my weather report, by the way. I don't think I'm achieving the goal, but there we go. That is what it is. 23 degrees in Roma right now. And I've got a little bit of Powderfinger for you.